Hi, I'm Jennifer Jumis, and I'm a voiceover artist. Today I thought I'd pull back the curtains a bit and show you a behind the scene of how I approached a recent audiobook script that had a line of text that needed to sound like it was being made over a loudspeaker announcer. I did not want to distort my voice so much that it sounded like AI or anything, as I think that can be a little bit jarring as an audiobook listener, but I did want to make that text stand out from my regular narration. So let me show you how I did it. I use Audacity, which is a free DAW software, and is great for beginners or seasoned voiceover artists as well. It's what I started using when I first started out, and honestly, I feel like I haven't outgrown it yet. So it's important to notice I'm working with my edited file here, which means I have removed any background room noise, breath sounds, errors, etc. Now I've got a copy of it below so that we'll be able to compare the before and after. Now is the time to process the audio. This is where you would apply any EQ to sweeten the whole sound of your voice a bit, or in this case, to apply the desired effect for the announcer style. So first let's hear what it sounds like before there's been any processing. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown, someone declared over the shuttle bay announcement system. All shuttle crew, please remain in the bay. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown. Okay, so we're going to select that first phrase. I'm going to go up to Effect, EQ, Filter Curve, Presets, and you can play around with these, but I find I like the telephone. And we can preview that. May take a second to process it here. Okay. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown. Okay, and apply. I like that. So we're going to do the same thing to that ending phrase. Now, you could hit Control-R to repeat what you've just done, but since this isn't an instructional video, I'm going to go ahead and go through it again. So select it, Effect, EQ, Filter Curve, Presets, Telephone, and apply. Now that sounds pretty good, but I'd like to do just a little bit more. So again, we're going to select that first phrase, Effect, Delay and Reverb, Factory Presets, and again, play around with the factory presets, but I found I really liked Vocal 2. Let's preview that. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown. Okay, and hit apply. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the ending phrase. So select it, Effect, Delay and Reverb, Factory Presets, Vocal 2. Okay. Let's listen to the original unprocessed file. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown, someone declared over the shuttle bay announcement system. All shuttle crew, please remain in the bay. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown. Now let's listen to the processed results. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown, someone declared over the shuttle bay announcement system. All shuttle crew, please remain in the bay. Goldenrod is under full security lockdown. I like that it clearly is still my voice, but altered just enough to give the desired effect, and help the listener feel themselves in the location of the storyline. And there you have it. I hope you found this video to be informative and helpful. If so, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my future editing videos.